Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, you will learn how to remove iPhone unavailable error. Guys, if your phone has stuck on iPhone unavailable due to repeated again and again wrong password and you are unable to unlock your phone or reset your phone, I will tell you how you can remove this iPhone unavailable problem. Guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more informative. So let's start the video without wasting time. Guys, to fix this problem, you have to need another phone. It can be Android phone or iPhone. In my case, I'm using my second Android phone. With the help of this Android phone, I will fix the error of iPhone unavailable. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First of all, you have to open your phone browser here and simply type iCloud.com. Click on iCloud. It will show us a green light there. Click on sign in. Sign in with the Apple ID. Guys, here make sure that you are signing with the same Apple ID on both phones. You have to sign in with the same Apple ID which was signed in on the phone with password you have forgotten and is currently on iPhone unavailable error. So let's sign in. Click on find devices. Guys, here you can see the list of your devices that are signed with the same Apple ID. Here select your device. Click on erase iPhone. Click on continue. Enter the Apple ID password to erase iPhone. Type your password here. Guys, it is asking for two-factor authentication. Guys, this screen is optional. You do not need to put anything here. Just simply click on next and simply click on done. Wait for a few seconds. Erase started. Wait for a few seconds. Within few seconds, your phone will erase. As you can see, your phone has started erasing now. You simply remove from this device. It will help you while set up this phone. Just simply remove from this device. Guys, I have removed from this device, so there is no further need of this phone. Wait for a few seconds until your erase completed. So here we are, guys. Your phone has restored completely. Your phone has unlocked completely, and it is not stuck on iPhone unavailable. So you can set up your phone. Let me set up this phone. Select your language and simply select your country where you live. Click on setup manually. Continue. Connect your device with a Wi-Fi network. Guys, I will speed up all this process for not wasting your time. Welcome to iPhone. Now you can get started. Your phone has unlocked. Your phone has erased completely. It is not stuck on iPhone unavailable. You have removed your iPhone unavailable error. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it does, please leave a like and comment in comment section. Thank you for watching the video.